Hi, David. Are you free today?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am. What's up?
I need to buy groceries for the week. Would you like to come with me?
Sure. I also need a few things. Let's go together.
Great. Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I made one this morning. It helps me avoid buying unnecessary things.
That's a good habit. I usually forget something because I don't make a list.
A shopping list saves both time and money.
Wow, this supermarket is so big.
Yes, but everything is well organized. Let's start with the fruits and vegetables.
These apples look fresh. How much are they?
They're $2 per kilogram. That's a good price.
I'll take 1 kilogram. What about bananas?
Bananas are on sale today. Let's buy some.
Good idea. I love eating bananas for breakfast.
Me too. They're healthy and full of energy.
I need milk, butter, cheese, and yogurt.
Which milk do you prefer?
I usually buy low-fat milk.
Prefer full cream milk because I like the taste.
Everyone has different preferences.
That's true.
If you're enjoying this conversation and learning new English phrases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. David, look! My favorite chocolate is on discount.
Be careful. We came here to buy groceries, not the whole supermarket.
You're right. I always spend extra money on snacks.
That's why I never shop when I'm hungry.
Really?
Yes, when I'm hungry, I buy too many unnecessary things.
The bread smells amazing.
Fresh bread is always tempting.
Should we buy white bread or brown bread?
Brown bread is healthier.
Okay, let's take 1 loaf.
Do you need juice?
Yes, I'll buy orange juice.
I'm buying bottled water because there's a special offer.
I think we're almost done.
Let's check our shopping list one more time.
Fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, eggs, rice, juice. Yes, we have everything.
Good afternoon. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $48.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Here's your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks for coming with me today.
My pleasure. Shopping is easier with a friend.
And I learned a few money-saving tips from you today.
I'm glad to hear that.
See you next week.
See you. Take care.
Great job. We hope you learned useful English words and sentences from this conversation.
Practice speaking these lines aloud to improve your pronunciation and confidence.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more everyday English conversations. See you in the next lesson.